Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to turn on or turn off the traction control. This video will apply to latest generation of Ford Edges made from 2019 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now on most of the older Fords and I believe Edge as well, prior to the facelift 2015 to 2018, traction control would be turned off through the menu options. You would have to get under the settings and then find traction control and turn it off. Now on these newer ones, 2019 and up, this is quite simple. There is just a kind of hidden switch right here, TCS off. Traction control system off. So if I press this button, you will see traction control is off and the yellow icon will appear in the upper right corner of the instrument cluster. And now to turn it back on, just press this switch again. And this is much better than you having to scroll through the menu options every time you want traction control off. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.